Hello, this is Ken from EasyTest Pool Supplies, and today we'll be discussing how to clean and drain your hot tub. Today we'll be using Wipeout, Filter Blaster, and Jet Clean. All of these products are available in the store and on our website. The first step would be to remove and clean the filter cartridge. This is done by removing the floating skimmer weir and removing the cartridge from the filter assembly. Let the cartridge drain, and then apply a healthy dose of Filter Blaster to the surface of the cartridge and in between all of the pleats. Once sufficiently coated, hold under running water and clean off all the dirt and grime that's on the surface. The next step would be to add the Jet Line Cleaner chemical directly into the filter assembly. This allows the chemical to run throughout all of the lines and take care of any dirt or grime that might be inside. Run the jets on high for about 15 minutes to mix the chemical, and then allow the tub to sit for about an hour. After the hour, run for about another 15 minutes to blow out any of the grime that's been broken up by the chemical. At this point, use a submersible pump or the existing drain plug on the hot tub to drain all of the water out. Once the tub is drained, apply the wipeout chemical to any scum lines, dirt, or grime that might remain. Once the tub is cleaned to your liking, fill with fresh water and bring a water sample into your local pool company to check for the proper water chemistry. Thanks a lot, and I hope this answers any of your questions about cleaning and draining a hot tub. And remember, all of these products are available in our store as well as our website. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, find us on Facebook, and subscribe if you haven't already. Or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Ken from EasyTest Pool Supplies, and thanks for watching.